Thanks again for checking in as we take a look at that national coast-to-coast forecast. We've got a tropical update for you, a couple of different tropical depressions in the Atlantic Basin and also the Eastern Pacific. We have a wildfire update for you as well, and more severe and flood potential coming up as well. In the Atlantic Basin now tracking Tropical Depression 5. This is going to continue to lift off to the northeast, may become a named storm here later today, but Tropical 14 could become a hurricane as that continues to drift west towards the Hawaiian Islands over the next several days. Closer to home here, of course, the western wildfires continuing, and it is not only having impacts on humans, but it is also having impacts on wildlife. This is a wild deer that was dehydrated and overheated, and this fine firefighter was helping him out, having a little drink to get that deer back on its feet. But wildfires continuing not only in California, but also into Montana. There's some of the smoke plumes with some of the aerial firefighting ongoing. These are smoke plumes now, and the forecast over the next 48 hours continues to just show the smoke lifting north into the Pacific Northwest, also out into parts of the plains, so the air quality is actually quite poor in many spots. Red flag warnings, fire weather watches continuing in many spots. It's very hot here, also quite dry as you head to the north. Looking at triple-digit heat into the southwest with monsoon thunderstorms. In fact, through Friday here in Phoenix, could be looking at some thunderstorm activity with pockets of locally heavy rain. Nice to see that. We do need the moisture in these areas. There's a slight risk of severe weather today over portions of South Dakota and Nebraska. Marginal threat over the central U.S. And how about this? Oklahoma City yesterday had its 12th wettest day ever in recorded history. A little more than 5 inches of rain. More flash flood watches there. Looking at pockets of heavy rain in those particular areas with showers and storms in the forecast continuing in the central U.S. But today across the nation, very summer-like.